Representatives of global KUKI-ZO-HMAR women community of Manipur has decided to boycott the upcoming Lok Sabha elections stated to be held in two phases, that is on April 19 and April 26. The decision comes a day the young KUKI representing KUKI youths as well as the KUKI volunteers, including the Tribal Leaders Forum ITLF Presidential Council, reach a consensus that no member from the KUKI-ZO community should file a nomination for the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2024. The global KUKI-ZO-HMAR women community, in its letter to the Chief Election Commission of India, mentions, "We write to you as the representatives of the global KUKI-ZO-HMAR women community of Manipur, a community that has long been an integral part of the rich cultural mosaic of India. With a heavy heart, we would like to inform you of the decision of the women in our community to exercise their constitutional and legal right to boycott the upcoming 2024 Lok Sabha elections. This decision does not come lightly, but as a culmination of the disillusionment and lack of trust in the current administrations, both at the national and state levels. The decision of global KUKI-ZO-HMAR women community to boycott the election stems from the issues rising following the claims of unaddressed grievances and injustice faced during the violence that broke out on May 2023.